Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite materials for home improvement projects, polymer plaster. If you're not familiar with it, polymer plaster is a versatile material that can be used for a variety of applications, including wall repairs, ceiling coatings, and decorative finishes. In this video, we'll go over some basic information about polymer plaster, as well as some tips and tricks for working with this material. So let's get started. Polymer plaster is a type of plaster that contains polymers, which are long chains of molecules that give the material its unique properties. These polymers make the plaster more flexible, durable, and water-resistant than traditional plaster. Polymer plaster is often used in commercial settings like hospitals and schools because of its durability and ease of maintenance. One of the main benefits of using polymer plaster is its flexibility. Unlike traditional plaster, which can crack or break under stress, polymer plaster can bend without breaking. This makes it ideal for use on surfaces that are prone to movement, such as walls and ceilings. Another benefit of polymer plaster is its water resistance. Because of the polymers in the material, polymer plaster is highly resistant to water damage, making it a great choice for bathrooms, kitchens, and other areas where moisture is a concern. When working with polymer plaster, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Typically, you'll need to mix the plaster with water to create a workable paste. You'll then apply the plaster to the surface you're working on using a trowel or a plastering tool. It's important to work quickly when using polymer plaster, as it can dry out faster than traditional plaster. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when working with polymer plaster. Use a clean, dry surface. Before applying polymer plaster, make sure the surface you're working on is clean and dry. Any dirt, dust, or moisture can affect the adhesion of the plaster. Mix the plaster thoroughly. To ensure an even consistency, mix the polymer plaster thoroughly before applying it to your surface. Work quickly. As I mentioned earlier, polymer plaster can dry out quickly, so work in small sections and don't mix too much at once. Sand after drying. Once the plaster has dried, use sandpaper to smooth out any rough spots or imperfections. And there you have it. A quick overview of polymer plaster and how to use it. While it may take some practice to get the hang of working with this material, the results can be well worth it. So if you're looking for a versatile and durable material for your next home improvement project, consider giving polymer plaster a try. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.